Hi everybody, welcome back to Chrissy's Corner. In today's video, we're going to be planting some spinach and Asian greens. Spinach is a native plant of Persian and modern day Iran. It is low in calories and is a good source of vitamin A, B2, BB, C, and K, and minerals. The author of Popeye was a vegetarian and promoted the goodness of veggies in his stories. Now let's get to planting it. Here we have our spinach in our patch. We have the holes already done, so now let's get to planting them. We have finished planting them, and now I'm just going to give them a bit of a water.
What are we planting next?
We are going to be planting our Asian greens. In our Asian greens mix, we have bok choy, napa cabbage. Bok choy in English means white vegetable. They take about 2 months to grow. They are originated in China, and both the stem and leaf are edible. They all contain vitamins like A, C, and K, and is useful for decreasing inflammation, cancer, and heart disease. They are also good for brain health and fighting diabetes. So now let's go plant them. Guys, we planted our seeds, and now we're going to water them with my makeshift water can. Oh, it works like a charm! It hasn't been tested yet. Yes, it won't leak anymore. I know.
So the tape doesn't fall off and then all the water starts coming out.
Yeah, it should. Oh, I have more like... Best idea ever! Right. Got it. Alright.
Awesome. All done.
We're all done. We're all done planting our spinach and Asian greens. I would like to shout out to Uncle Eddie, Uncle Joe, and Auntie Sophia for always watching the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!